So today I'll show you how to turn flashlight on and off on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So to do this, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the app menu, and then locate the flashlight option rather. Then tap on it, and then you'll see the option turn on, and tap on turn on, and that will turn on the flashlight. So it's pretty bright whenever you're in a dark area. So you can use this flashlight to navigate through dim lit areas or in a dark room. So to disable this, it's pretty simple. Just tap on the screen and that will disable the flashlight, or it will turn off the flashlight. So to turn on, just tap on turn on and the flashlight will be enabled. To disable it, just tap on it on the flashlight and that will disable it. So that's basically how to turn on or to turn flashlight on and off on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more tips.